Well, here at Oklahoma Gardening, we're always on the lookout for something that will make gardening a little bit easier. And guess what? There is a handy dandy device that will come in very useful this fall. And with us today is Mark Speer, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it. Mark, thank you for coming over.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, what is this device?
This is the Nut Wizard. It's what I call the Ferrari of nut harvesters. It is designed to pick up pecans especially, but it'll pick up acorns, walnuts, almonds, just practically any slick nut that will slip by the wires. And it's highly tuned to be able to pick up the maximum nuts in the least amount of time.
Now, and this really works. I've tried this and it's really fun. It's actually kind of fun to use too.
Oh yes, it is. And the kids love it.
Maybe you can show us how it works here.
Well, these are walnuts. And then when you get the basket full, just dump it. The little wire dumper goes with it.
Some acorns?
Acorns, yes, thank you.
So that's a pretty small nut there then.
Pretty small.
Wow, that's incredible.
And pecans.
Which is actually kind of what it got started for, isn't it?
Oh yes.
So, now since we're on pecan harvest here, that would be very handy. And there are large machines for a large pecan harvest, but this is great for just a homeowner.
Right, the homeowner, this is the perfect device for the homeowner or the person that just wants to get out and harvest some nuts up without using a big machine.
So, now, and I really liked it because you don't have to bend over. That's wonderful.
That's true.
So,
get your grandmother off their hands and knees.
That's right. Now, how would a person find one of these?
You can call me. I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma. My number's 918-877-8205.
Okay.
And I can ship one right out to you.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.